Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping for new fashion basics, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping for cardigans and jackets. This new one from Time and True. It has that crew neckline, tortoise buttons, drop sleeve with the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, that same fit through the back, and they are going to be $22. Hoodies from No Boundaries. These have that soft fleece, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. In the polka dot blue, there's black, purple, and burgundy, and they're $16.98. So now at jackets from Free Assembly, these have the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, completely lined. A little bit of a shoulder pad in the blue. Also comes in that blue chambray stripe, and they are $40. Seersucker blazer from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, lapel, tortoise buttons, the tortoise wrist, completely lined, seam through the back, and that one is $40. Jacket from Scoop is so popular on my other social media. I keep seeing people style it, but it's from Scoop. It has that gathered detail, mock neck when it's buttoned, the gathering on the wrist, and then the same fit through the back. And the beige also comes in the denim. Denim shirts from Celebrity Pink. They have this smaller collar, scoop, button on the wrist. In the mid-tone, also in one shade lighter, these are going to be $21.50. They're from Scoop. They have this smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, the two from Pockets. I shared this in the stripe in yesterday's haul. I feel like it does run small. I wouldn't size down. Has the tortoise buttons. It's completely lined. Same fit through the back, $40. I have a new denim jacket from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar, full button, the two flat pockets, button on the wrist with the seam in the back, and they are going to be $32. Also from the Casey line, they have these little button-down shirts. These have the smaller collar, full button, the button on the wrist, seam detail in the back. The jacket is $33. Colors in the Scoop blazer. We saw this one last week. Now they have this red. Has the smaller collar, lapel, double, or it's not double breasted, but the buttons lined, longer length, relaxed through the wrist with the buttons that same fit through the back. These are $54. So now it also comes in the red and the navy. New cardigans from Free Assembly. So these were fully stocked. I was here the other day, and now they only have one of each. So they have that crew neckline, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, in that floral, also in the stripe, and I think these are $28. Also have the new slim fit cardigans. They have that high neckline. You can't go wrong with these. I think I bought it last year. I go for it all the time, even with my other outfits. So they have white, navy, pink, and red this year, and they're $22. From the Scoop Devil Wears Prada line, has the oversized collar, lapel, the button detail on the wrist, belted, the same fit through the back. These are $43. Shopping for tees and tanks. These are from No Boundaries. These were actually really popular on my other social media. They have the thin strap, scoop neckline, seamless bottom, same fit through the back. In the black, red, they have purple and blue. They're $5.98. They also have the shorts to match. Tanks from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, scoop neckline, soft and stretchy. In this burgundy stripe, there's a blue, the gray polka dot, and they're $8.98. Also new little wrap top tees. These have that cap sleeve, so soft and stretchy. In the pink, they have the red, white, and black, and they are $8.98. So new tank from NYC. This has a thicker strap, scoop neckline, the little split, iconic, and then that rose. I actually had this in my cart, and I think they're like $14.50. Graphic tees from No Boundaries. These have that crew neckline. How cute is this with the pizza? I definitely need this one. Then they also have Brooklyn, and it kind of looks like Brooklyn, like an M at the bottom. And those are $8.98. Also new graphic tees. These are from Mighty Fine. They have that crew neckline. There's USA, First of all, I'm a delight. Love that for you. And then what's this one? These are like baby tees, late night reading club. These are $4.98. No tees from Free Assembly. These have that crew neckline fitted in the blue. There's pink, white, the navy and white stripe, and navy. They're $10. On this side they have the boxy tees. In the white they have this new pineapple print. We didn't see that one. The stripe and the black, and they're also $10. New colors in that twist tee from Time and True. These have that crew neckline, that twist detail, seam fit through the back in the red. We saw that purple and blue color in this muscle tee from Time and True. This has that crew neckline, side seam, soft and stretchy. Now in the navy and white, we saw it in the white and red, and they're $12.98. New No Boundaries square neck tees. Look at that soft material, and they're $9.98. New ruffle tank from Free Assembly. These have that high neckline, the little ruffles, super soft, stretchy, same fit through the back in the white. Also comes in the navy. Colors in the Free Assembly tank. So these have that high neckline. They're so soft and stretchy. They have this new yellow. There's a green, white, black, pink. And then Scoop also has some new tees. These have that crew neckline. This is the baby tee. Pink, the yellow, white, and black. Those are $10. Brought back this seam tee from Jessica Simpson. It has that high neckline, that raw hem detail in the peach, also in green. And they're $32. Sneak peek tees from Time and True. These have that high neckline, this little gathered detail, stretchy with the dolman sleeve in the black. Also comes in the brown. Colors in the tie front tops from Time and True. These have that high neckline, that tie detail, super soft, stretchy with that gathered material. Relaxed fit through the front and the back. Now in the brown, there's white. We saw the red and the black, and they're $15.98. New style of from Time and True. So these have a scoop neckline, thicker strap, the Henley buttons. They're really soft fitted, or no, I think they're more relaxed as the extra small. Look how good they are. In the blue, there's brown, pink, black, green, white, and they're $8.98. Thanks from Time and True. They have that scoop neckline, a little bit of a cap sleeve, drawstring in the waist with the eyelet trim bottom, seam fit through the back in the white. Also comes in the navy, and they're $15.98. One shoulder tank from Millie Bobby Brown. So this one has the built-in shelf bra, nice and stretchy. Only seeing the white, and this one is $16.50. Jessica Simpson graphic tees. These have the crew neckline, the studded detailing, drop sleeve, relaxed fit. And then they also have this little cropped one with the eagle. The t-shirts are $18.50. Also shopping for denim. These are from No Boundaries. They're low-rise button zip, straight leg, seam fit through the back. In the dark wash, they also have gray. There's this lighter wash, and they're $16.98. Dark wash denim from Scoop. So these are a high-rise skinny. They have the whiskering. I can't believe they have skinny jeans. New barrel leg jeans from Sofia Vergara. These look like they're high-rise. They have the side pocket, stretchy with that tapered ankle. No side stripe denim jeans from No Boundaries. These are a baggy. What are they? They look like they're lower or mid-rise. Probably low. But they have that white stripe, the seam fit through the back. And the jeans are $19.98. Also in the baggy, they have these. The button small, super small zipper with the whiskering, so they're probably low-rise. Also $19.98. Grommet trim jeans from No Boundaries. This is a thicker material. They have the drawstring, the smaller waistband, same fit through the back, super wide in the black. Also comes in brown, and they're $19.98. New denim skirt from Time and True. This has full functioning buttons, this little gathered detail, side pocket, fit and flare. Same around the back. And I think these are $22.98. These online, look how cute these are with the belt. So these are boot cut, like the skinny boot. I think they're mid-rise or low-rise. That's why I didn't order them. I wanted to see them, but that's what the belt looks like. And they're under $20. Dark wash denim. These are really dark. So I think this is a barrel leg. Yeah, the Time and True barrel leg jeans. They have that same detailing, pockets in the back, and the jeans are $22.98. Denim from No Boundaries. These have the belt buckle pockets, flowy leg, and then the same fit through the back, and they're $23.98. They also have the Carpenter jeans. These are mid-rise loose. They have that same detail, same fit through the back with that same red patch as the shorts. The jeans are $33. Millie Bobby Brown jeans. These are a boyfriend style. It looks like they're a little high rise. It says low rise. But what about all that? Maybe like make them hang. The raw. A little distressing. Same fit through the back. And they are $26.50. New white wide leg jeans from Time and True. So these look like they're high rise. Oh no, these are the barrel jeans, I think. No, they're wide leg. And they are $24.98. To match, they have these wide leg jeans. These have the hard button zip side pocket, seam detail. Jeans are $24.50. New wide leg jeans from Free Assembly. So what they look like. They have the same fit through the back. And they are $28. So new from No Boundaries, baggy mid-rise. They have the whiskering. It also says they have stretch. That's what the ankle looks like. I love this light wash. They have the mid-tone, this another mid-tone and black, and they're also $16.98. Gloria Vanderbilt has a little floral denim, highest rise at barrel leg. And they are $29.98. And then right next to it, they have a long, short capri. What are they calling them? Capris. They're like knee length. And they're $25.98. Vanderbilt sneak peek item. Look how nice these are. They're like a pajama. It has that French terry elastic waistband, drawstring side pocket, flowy wide leg, and then the same fit through the back. And they're $29.98. They have this mid-tone and then one shade darker. Crop undone hem jeans from Free Assembly. These are high-rise with the whiskering, that raw hem, pockets on the back, and they're $28. So shopping for trousers. These are from Time and True. They're the tapered like flat front with the pocket, elastic through the back, same fit through the back, in the black, also in the camel, and they're $20. Red trousers from the Devil Wears Prada line. So these have that side button zip. Looks like it's a tapered leg with trouser pockets on the back. Front pocket pants from Scoop. So these have the button zip, the two pockets, cropped leg, wide and flowy through the front and the back. Embroidered pants from Free Assembly. These have the button zip, this little beaded flower detail with the seaming. These are a mid-rise carpenter pant, and then it also has the beading through the back. Also seeing a new color in these eyelet pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, that true jogger bottom in the green, also in the blue, and the bottoms are going to be $24. For pull-on linen pants, these have an elastic waistband, flowy through the leg, same fit through the back, in the ivory, also in the navy, and they're $22.98. So new utility style denim from Time and True. So these have the pork chop pockets, nice flowy wide leg with elastic through the back. They also look like they're high rise. Gauze pants from No Boundaries. These look like they're high rise. They have that lace trim flowy through the leg, and they are $14.98. Also seeing the top from my last haul, and they have the pants to match. So this one has that little crisscross and it ties around, relaxed fit, open in the back, in this brown print, also in the black palm. They're $15.98. And then to match, now they have these pull-on pants from Time and True. These have the elastic waistband, wide leg, same fit through the back in both of those colors, And the pants are $17.98. So having that watercolor print that they had in the dress, these pants. These are wide leg, flowy with elastic through the back. And it says they're under $27.50. So new front pocket trousers from Free Assembly. These have the button zip, that front pocket wide and flowy through the leg. What are these? Wide leg with the pleat, side pocket, poplin material. Cute, the new linen pieces from Scoop. So they have a thin strap, square neckline, full button. These are always really popular in the green, also in the ivory with the pinstripe that we saw, the blazer that matches back. So they have the green blazer, also a navy blazer. And then they have a pleated short. It's a Bermuda side button zip with the belt loops. And the pinstripe also in the green, and then they have a pant in the green. Pleated, barrel leg, side pocket. These look pretty wide at the bottom. Another barrel leg with the trouser pockets in the back. Basic we're shopping for are jeggings and leggings. These are from Time and True. They're a high rise, so pull on with the faux button. There's seam detail for pockets and then functioning pockets in the back. That's what they look like on. In the black, there's that darker wash, the darkest indigo, though if they're $17.98. So have white and camel. So new fold over leggings from No Boundaries. These are so nice, soft and stretchy with the flare in the burgundy. They have that stripe that these all match back, I guess, to the little hoodies. There's black and blue. The flared leggings are, they don't have it on the price thing. Maybe $9.98. Linen look pants from, oh no, these are denim from No Boundaries. These have the drawstring pocket, flowy leg, pockets in the back, in the white, also in the light denim, and they're $14.98. Style of pull-on pants from Athletic Work. So these look like they're more of a straight leg. They have that higher waistband, which they didn't have before, with the drawstring. They also have the pockets. In the navy, there's gray, a taupe color, and a green, and they're $12.98. So new leggings from Avia. These are the moisture wicking kind of Lululemon look. So they have gray, blue, black, and burgundy. They're $16.98. And then to match, they have the tanks with the built-in shelf bra, thicker strap, scoop neckline, same fit through the back in all those colors, and they're $15. And the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.